Welcome to the Grade 3 Fraction Workbook, brought to you by grade1to6.com, a globally trusted platform for high-quality primary math and English learning resources. This workbook is carefully designed for Grade 3 learners and aligns seamlessly with international curricula, including IB PYP, US Common Core, UK National Curriculum, Singapore, Australian, New Zealand, CBSE, and ICSE frameworks. It supports classroom teaching, home learning, and independent practice with equal effectiveness. Inside this book, students begin by building a strong conceptual understanding of fractions. They explore fractions on a number line, helping them visualize parts of a whole in a clear and structured way. Learners then work with shaded shapes, identifying and naming fractions, and representing fractions using pictures, ensuring deep understanding rather than rote learning. As students progress, the workbook introduces missing numerators and denominators, drawing fractions, and a well-organized fractions chart that reinforces key concepts. Children then move on to equivalent fractions, comparing fractions, and making the whole, developing mathematical reasoning, confidence, and problem-solving skills. The book also includes thoughtfully designed fraction word problems, encouraging learners to apply concepts to real-life situations. Each topic follows a step-by-step progression, with ample practice and an answer key, making this workbook ideal for classroom instruction, homework, revision, assessments, and intervention programs. All worksheets are created by experienced international educators and tested in real classrooms. Grade1to6.com is consistently recognized for quality and reliability. Our resources hold a 4.8 rating on Teachers Pay Teachers, a 4.7 rating on TES, and an impressive 4.9 rating on Google Reviews. We are also ranked among the top-rated global worksheet providers for primary grades, trusted by schools and educators across multiple countries. Grade1to6.com also offers a value-driven subscription model, giving schools and parents unlimited access to thousands of worksheets across grades 1 to 6, making high-quality education affordable and accessible. Available as print-ready PDFs and custom school editions, this Grade 3 Fraction Workbook is a dependable, engaging, and curriculum-aligned resource for mastering fractions. Grade1to6.com. Trusted by teachers. Loved by learners.